Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. For the word given below, a contextual usage is provided. Pick the word from the alternatives that is most inappropriate. Remember, inappropriate in the given context. The word is amazing, and the usage. The press portrayed Mrs. Indira Gandhi as some sort of amazing after she became the Prime Minister and effected the emergency. The word amazing in the question means a strong, tall, or a forceful woman. Forceful woman. Now, to the assessment of the options, the word in option number 1, warrior, is somebody who fights a war. Hoyden in option number 2 is a boisterous girl. Boisterous girl. And tomboyish in option number 3 is a girl who enjoys noisy activities traditionally associated with boys. So we can say all these words in option number 1, 2 and 3 are almost similar in meaning to the given question word amazing. But the word prototype in option number 4 means preliminary model of something from which other forms are developed or copied. So in this regard, option number 4 is not at all related to the given question word amazing and therefore is our answer. The answer to this question is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. For the given question word below, a contextual usage is provided. Pick the word from the alternatives that is most inappropriate in the given context. The question word is animadvert, and the usage. When the technician came to service the machinery, the personnel animadverted and expressed their displeasure. The question word animadvert refers to make specially critical remarks about somebody or something. The word given in option number 1, criticized, also somewhat means the same, to make critical remarks about something or somebody. Censured in option number 3 means express severe disapproval of someone, that is also to criticize. And rebuked in option number 4 is to express sharp disapproval. Sharp disapproval. But the word in option number 2, bland, refers to being dull and unremarkable. So we see that word bland does not go at all with the given question word animadvert, and hence it is the most inappropriate. The answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. For the word given below, a contextual usage is provided. Pick the word from the alternatives that is most inappropriate in the given context. Question word is quiescence, and the usage. After a hectic city life, he sought the quiescence of pastoral surroundings. The question word quiescence refers to a state of inactivity or dormancy. The word serenity in option number 1 means calmness or tranquility. Tranquility again is calmness. And placate in option number 4 is to pacify or to calm down. But bedlam in option number 3 means uproar or commotion, which is the exact opposite of quiescence, and hence it is the most inappropriate word from the given options. So the answer would be 3, bedlam. Answer is option number 3. Hope it is clear. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. For the word given below, a contextual usage is provided. Pick the word from the alternatives that is most inappropriate in the given context. Our question word is obliterated, and the usage, the missile strike was devastating. The target was obliterated. The question word obliterate means to destroy or to wipe out. Now, the word given in option number 1, quashed, also means suppress or put an end to. Effaced in option number 2 means to remove, or you can say to wipe out. Annihilate in option number 3 is to destroy. And exasperated in option number 4 is to infuriate or irritate intensely. To make someone angry, you can say in simpler words. So you can say it is very easy now to find out which one is the most inappropriate. It is exasperated, given in option number 4. The answer is option 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. For the word given below, a contextual usage is provided. Pick the word from the alternatives that is most inappropriate in the given context. Our question word is sardonic, and the usage, his words often had a bitter, sardonic edge to them, and it kept him away from the rest of the company. The question word sardonic means sarcastic, satirical, or ironical. Let's see what the options refer to. Option number 1, sarcastic, means sardonic again. Satirical, ironical. Option 2, fanatic, is an extremist or a devotee. Sneering in option number 3 is smirk or snigger. Again, to have fun or at someone else's expense. For in satiric is also critical, sarcastic. Now, with the given explanations, I think you can very well derive which one is the most inappropriate from among the given 4. It is option number 2, fanatic, which means extremist and devotee. So the answer is option 2. Hope it is clear to you. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I'm Dirkha. Direction. For each of the words below, a contextual usage is provided. Pick the word from the alternatives that is most inappropriate in the given context, and the word is temerarious. The candidate was found unsuitable for the company on the ground that he was extremely temerarious. Now, temerarious is one who is overbold or hot-headed person. Now, the words rash, audacious and reckless are in the same meaning of the word temerarious, as we have to choose a word which is most inappropriate. And the option which we are left is, that is circumspect, which means very cautious, taking everything into account. So the answer to our question is option 3rd. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Dirkha. Direction. For each of the words below, a contextual usage is provided. Pick the word from the alternatives that is most inappropriate in the given context, and the word is uncut. The porters shouted to each other in uncut tones. The word is very well clear to you, as we have used shouted. That means the person has shouted on the porter in a very rough manner, in a very uncivilized manner. Option 1st, 2nd and 4th are in the same context of the word uncut, and gentle, which means civilized, is the answer to our question. So the answer is option 3rd. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.